Let's check out the new Black Shark GS3 Ultra Smartwatch. On this bad boy not only we get very decent dual band GPS, also very nice AMOLED display, but also tons of other cool features as well. So let's check it out. So I have already used it for a while and generally it's actually a very solid watch indeed. So inside the box first we get our watch. Okay. Also we get our manual here and also our charger cable here as well. So it has a magnetic charger attachment over here, Black Shark branded. On this watch we also get really decent build quality as well. So we have full metal build quality, also with very nice metal buttons here. So two on that side, so 4 metal buttons here. So the back is plastic for more comfort. You have all the sensors, charging pins here. So yeah, when it comes to build quality, this actually appears very nice indeed. Also, if you are looking to get this watch, in the description I'll include a special discount link that you can use and get it for absolutely insane price. So currently, if you also combine it this price with coupons I'll leave in the description, you can get it for roughly maybe like $50 with free shipping as well. For this price, to get the build quality and also dual band GPS, I think that's absolutely insane. So yeah, basically check out those special links. And this is what it looks like on my wrist. Also, I really like the size of it as well. Usually these more rugged watches are very bulky, but not this one, so pretty much perfect size really. So yeah, also looks very decent as well. Also, the strap on this watch also is of very premium quality as well, I would say. Very nice buckle here. So yeah, definitely the strap actually is very comfortable on this watch. Again, we also have very decent water protection as well on this watch. And let's see everything we actually get on this watch. First, if you swipe down, you can get access to your quick panel. So change various settings, for example, change your brightness. By the brightness is incredibly good on this watch. So see, it's even blowing out my camera. It's so crazy bright essentially. So I have to actually drop it down. Yeah, we can also, for example, turn on the flashlight in also like flashing mode here as well. And also a bunch more settings. You can even clear our water. So yeah, basically after you finish swimming, it obviously has a speaker, which also is very decent quality. So after you finish basically exposing it to water, make sure to engage this feature and also shake your watch like this as well to simply get rid of all the water basically from the speaker over here. And you see, you can also add a bunch more things here. Okay. And then if you swipe like this, you can also launch your tiles. For example, this is what we can get here. Okay. For example, we can quickly check our exercise stats for the day. And also go in more details. So your, for example, calories burned and also goals reached for each day of the week here. So step count for hours as well. And also we have music player as well, obviously here. Okay. So you can easily control your music here that you have on phone. Obviously also we can play back it on the speaker. And yep, also speaker quality also is very decent on this watch. Okay, and next we can also check our heart rate here very easily as well. So it has got, yeah, heart rate monitoring, and also you can even check your resting heart rate as well, and also for the previous days as well. So when it comes to heart rate accuracy, so you see I have basically my finger here, so you can check your heart rate over here. And also if you click this, okay, yeah, in settings, you can also like customize basically this auto heart rate measurement here. And also high and low alerts here as well. And next let's compare with this pulse oximeter. So I have the heart rate over here in the green, so 104, 105. So you see, as I'm also talking, getting more excited, this heart rate also is climbing. So you see it's pretty much spot on. So pretty much you see, yeah, spot on. And also we can measure our blood oxygen as well with this watch. So it also will measure it automatically if you set it to be, but also you can start it manual as well. So you see currently 97 over here. So in this like yellow, let's see what this says. Let's see how long it even takes to measure the. Okay, so you see maybe like 97 to 98 basically. So it's fluctuating a bit. So let's see what this watch actually says. So you see, let's see if it's actually close. So yeah, also obviously some of these like cheaper Chinese watch, usually when it comes to heart rate sensors and stuff like that, are absolutely pathetic. But yeah, this appears actually very decent indeed. So taking, yeah. Okay, so you see 97. So yeah, spot on. So that also was between 97 and 98 here. And next also on this watch, we can even measure our stress levels as well. So yeah, absolutely insane. So you'll also see like history of it there as well. Even some kind of emotion measurement. Yeah, no idea how it is even able to do that. And also, you see, you can even check your weather here as well very easily. By the way, my camera has some problems basically picking up the screen of this watch. In real life, it's like crystal clear. So, okay, so you see, you can see basically the forecast for the next hours here for the weather. So also forecast for the next day. So you see, yeah, it's about to snow here any moment again. So maybe for the next week forecast here as well on this watch. Also we can set multiple alarms here as well on the watch as well. And also we can obviously track sleep if you care about that stuff. So personally I haven't used this, I don't really care, but yeah, it has that function. Also we can see our exercise records here as well. So I basically did a cycling here. So you can see, for example, okay, also the heart rate zones, and also even the basically the quick contour of the map where you have been as well when you have been exercising. And also it says it has got this barometer, altimeter as well, but looks like we had actually calibrated. I actually haven't done that, so yeah, we have to calibrate it first. Okay, much better. Okay, also a stopwatch, you can even start it from right over here from this style, and also go over here and start it like this as well. Also we can do laps here as well if you need that stuff. And also we have timers, so we can quickly tap one of these presets here, or also click over here and you have more options, or set your own timer here. So also the timer can run in the background as well on this watch. So you see, if I exit it, go back, so you see it's running here as well. Some of these watches can't even do that. So yeah, very good system overall on this watch. And also we have like dual time zone here as well, so you can see time in other cities essentially. So next, if I swipe like this, again I can check various styles here. So again, very similar stuff what I showed you already, but just in different format, I guess. And you can, so okay, these are the cards. So you see, you can also like change the layout of them, order, and also delete some as well if you do not want. Okay, and then yeah, if you swipe up, you can get access to notifications, maybe like WhatsApp notifications, emails, or whatever from any app. So if you press the power button, so you see you can launch all the apps here you have on the watch. So, and also the power button also goes back. If I press the sports button over here, I can also quickly launch exercise as well here. Okay, so you see these are some presets. You can also click over here and choose from the different categories. I'm not sure how well you can see in the camera because yeah, the screen is a bit too bright for it. So you see in each category you have like tons of different exercise here. So literally 160 different exercises that we can track with this watch. So yeah, absolutely awesome. Even some winter sports here. And let's test also the GPS lock times. So I'm actually in fairly urban area. Let's see how long it actually takes to lock on. So again, I have a bunch of houses around me. So again, middle city. So literally maybe like 6 or 7 seconds. So yeah, actually very decent indeed. So in this workout screen, so you can see your date. Obviously you have to wear your watch. Yeah, also I see as you scroll, you can see more stuff. Obviously the date fields will depend on yeah, what kind of exercise you do. Also you can control your music here. And also you can even see basically where you have been and also backtrack as well to the starting point. So yeah, the exercise system also is very decent on this one. And yeah, do open GPS at this price, really absolutely awesome. Okay, and let's check out all the other apps. So yeah, if you press the power button, you can launch pretty much everything. So also we have basically this one-tap measurement here. If you wear your watch and simply start it, stay still. Okay. So also make sure it's actually fairly tight here. It will actually like give you all your vitals at one place after a minute. Okay, so you see you can check basically all the measurements at once here. So heart rate, SpO2, and also stress level. So yeah, absolutely awesome. But again, so make sure to obviously wear it fairly tight. Okay, also we have a bunch of breathing exercise here as well. And also, yeah, we can even like make and also receive calls from this watch as well. So either select from your contacts. By the way, you have to actually first add the contacts in the phone app essentially before you can select them in this watch app. Also, you can quickly dial someone as well if you know the number. So simply dial the number, click this, and yeah, you can talk. So yeah, at this price to get all these functions, I mean, that's absolutely ridiculous. So the notifications, also we have compass here. So again, have to calibrate it. So this is what the compass looks like on this watch. Also, as you can see, the altitude and also pressure data here as well. Barometer, weather. Also, we have assistant as well. But again, so you simply need your phone range. It simply use your phone assistant. So yep, microphone, speaker on this watch at this price, really absolutely awesome. And also we can remotely control basically our camera as well. So if you want to remotely take a picture, you can do that. Music, alarms, okay. Also we have cycle tracking for, calculator. So yeah, like a basic calculator here. Okay. Not sure what that is. Flashlight, SOS function. So you have to set it up. Maybe you can call directly someone in emergency, I suppose. Also find my phone function. Let's see how that actually looks like. So I have my phone here. Okay, so I actually have to enable it first in the app. So we'll go and check that out later. And also basically various settings here. Always on display as well we get on this watch. So let's see, for example, what it looks like. Obviously, yeah, the battery life won't be nowhere as good. So let's set this. Okay. Okay, so you see, yep, even always on display. And it actually looks very decent as well. Okay, what else we had? Also we have raise wrist to wake function. It's enabled by default, I think. I disabled. Also we can change various other things here, as you see. Also, we can customize basically this sports button for any action. So let's see what we can set. For example, so you see you can actually set it for pretty much anything here. So even for flashlight. So let's set it for flashlight. So if you press it now, you see the flashlight gets launched. The only thing I wish this watch had is a dedicated flashlight, like a lot of these rugged watches these days have, because yeah, the brightness obviously from this is nowhere close as on a dedicated flashlight on other watches. And also finally, let's quickly check out our app. So you can see basically your stats here. So also the step count for the various hours, also for the week, months, and yeah. Also the exercise history here, your heart rate graph, sleep, oxygen tracking, stress, mood, and also we can like disable these things as well if you want to. You can start, yeah, also exercise directly here from the phone if you want. We can change our watch face here if you want, and also like customize basically everything about the watch here. Also you can set quick replies here as well. So if someone sends you maybe like message or notification, you can also like quickly reply, and you can also like add custom reply here. So with the text you want. So yeah, that's absolutely awesome. So yep, we can set up the SOS function as well. So you select your contact, and then I suppose you press some button, it will call that contact in emergency, I guess. And also your profile here as well. Okay, so yeah, we even have Strava integration as well, and Health Connect. To get Strava at this price, yeah, absolutely insane what we are getting on this watch overall. Oh, also, if you want to change the watch face, so you see if you click and hold, you can also change to a different watch face if you want to on your watch as well, for example. Yeah. The display also is, yeah, very decent on this watch, very good viewing angles, and the brightness is absolutely crazy. So even in direct sunlight, it's actually very good display as well. So, and yeah, overall, is this new Blackshark GS3 Ultra watch actually worth it, and should you maybe get one? Well, I can actually highly suggest this watch, because first, not only the build quality is absolutely awesome, the strap is very premium, so again, very premium buttons here, and it definitely feels and looks like a very high-end watch, essentially. And also, yeah, very good features overall. Also, insanely good battery life. So you see almost like 20 days as well. Also, like decent sensors, as you saw, a heart rate sensor, oxygen measurement, and pretty much everything we need. We can also make calls, receive calls. So, and all of that for absolutely crazy price. So again, yeah, if you follow those special discount links, you can, for example, so literally picked up under like $50 probably at the moment, and that also is with free shipping. So yeah, make sure to simply check out those special discount links. Also, again, I'll leave extra coupons you can use on AliExpress to basically combine with that price, and again bring it down even further for this price really. And what you get, this is pretty much unbeatable. Anyway, good luck.